Masyadong maraming dahilan para mawalan ng gana sa trabaho, para ma-demotivate, 'di ba? Toxic ang boss mo, 'di maayos yung mga kasama mo sa trabaho, unfair ang mga policies, unfair ang inyong kumpanya, hindi nakikita yung value mo. At isama pa doon yung lahat ng problema mo sa buhay that could cause you to be demotivated. Ngayon, you also need to recognize na ang demotivation affects your happiness and it also affects your performance. And if it affects your performance, it affects your ability to create value to the people around you. So, nadidevalue ka kapag masyadong mababa ang iyong contribution to an organization or to anyone for that matter. So in short, kung stuck ka sa pagiging demotivated, you become a victim of your own situation. Kasi yung mga tao na nagkakos ng demotivation mo, hindi nila alam kung ano yung negative effect nila sa'yo, di ba? So how do you get out of that victim situation? Kailangan mong tanggalin dun sa labas ng sarili mo yung mga reasons for your motivation and bring that in. So paano? You need to recognize ano ba talaga ang goal mo. 'Di ba? Ano ba yung gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay mo? Ano ba yung key to your happiness and find it, no? And recognize na yung goal mo ay hindi mangyayari without your effort, without building your capability to get to that goal, no? Kasi may mga obstacles kang dadaanan eh. You need to be resilient enough to get there. And you will realize that as you develop yourself, so as you motivate yourself, not your boss, you motivate yourself to do better, to level up each time there's an opportunity. You also increase your value, you increase your performance, you increase your value, you increase your desirability. And when that happens, if nakikita mo pa rin na toxic yung surrounding mo, you can change your surrounding because you have options. No, there are people who are willing to take you in and appreciate you more if you don't feel appreciated, as long as you have a legitimate value to offer. And remember that legitimate value comes from your capability that you develop yourself and no one else. I hope this helped.